How to fix USB-C docking station not detecting monitors. So if your USB-C docking station isn't detecting monitors, you can first check that your laptop's USB-C port actually supports DisplayPort Alt mode or Thunderbolt, since not all USB-C ports support video output. And you can go ahead and try restarting your laptop and fully power cycle the dock. You can unplug its power adapter for 30 to 60 seconds. You can also make sure you're using high quality cables that are able to support this. You can go ahead and check with an HDMI, since it's usually an HDMI that's doing this output, and whatever's the wire, the main wire that's going to your PC or laptop, should just be the type C. So make sure your wires are actually stable, they're not broken, and they can connect pretty well to each other. You can also go ahead and test it on a different device to see if it works properly. And in many cases, the issue comes down to the cable compatibility, unsupported USB-C video output, or outdated drivers rather than a broken docking station. But other than that, once you're sure they're all connected, you can go ahead and check a few settings just in case it doesn't automatically connect. You can go ahead directly into your device's settings and then go over into system. You can go to the display section over here, go to scale and layout, and go to multiple displays. So you can choose the presentation mode for your displays, and then here you'll be able to see the detect other displays. You can go ahead and press on this. There's a wireless display option over here, but that's wireless, of course. If you're using that option, you can go ahead and choose connect, but focus on the detect other display since you're using a wired option most likely, and then just press on detect. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your USB-C docking station isn't detecting monitors. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.